Well, hello everybody. There's nothing like starting or trying to start filming a video by having a whole bunch of stuff on your desk just fall on top of the floor and on top of you. That's just great. Okay. Anyway, we're going to try something a little different in our Playing with Sketching journal today. I was looking for something else recently that I evidently put away in a super safe place here somewhere in the art room. And I knew I had a bunch of distressed crayons and water-soluble oil pastels and stuff like that because they're to my right. But I forgot I have these tempera paint sticks. And so we're going to play with these today and probably the watercolor. Let's flip our page. I also have a number of really pretty sunset pictures that I've taken over the years, and I'm going to put a few of them into the listing for this video over on my Patreon to do with what you will if you're over there on Patreon, which is really cheap. I think it's like $2 a month or something. And if you do something with them, please tag me and let me know because I'd love to see what you're doing. I also want to do something sort of abstract. So this particular picture was taken through a dirty car window in Sacramento, California, but I mean, I still love it. So we're going to go with that. Again, as usual, we're going to do more looking at the picture than we are looking at what we're, in fact, I'm not looking at the page at all. Okay. Pretty messy, but that's all right. We are going to start also with doing some outlining. I kind of want to go light gray. So this is a 0.1 Unipin, and this is color light gray. Pin 01-200. Now, one thing I do remember from using tempera paint sticks is, and there's not much ink left in that one. Okay, let's try a different one. Is that it's really hard to write over them, so you kind of want to spend more time writing underneath them. And then I do think that's not dark enough for me, so I'm going to go in with a darker gray. And when I knocked things over, I knocked my jar of pens, my jar of brushes. I didn't break anything, but that's kind of a miracle because honestly, it's me, people, so. And let's see. I kind of want to keep going with the sketchy thing, so I might go in there again with an 05. First, we're going to write. Okay, and then okay, now I'm going to go in with some yellow. Let's get a water brush handy. And see if we can spread these out. Yep, just a little bit. And then we have sort of a peachy orangey color. I'm not cleaning the brush off at all. Okay, and then we have a couple of choices for blue. And I want to do some green and brown. Okay, let's do the darker blue and then some lighter blue. And then we'll get in there real quick before it dries. And scrub, just scrub. It's gonna leave marks, but you know, this is not about perfection. This is about playing with your art and having fun. Okay, and then I wanna do a little bit of green. And a little bit of brown. I don't know if we need any too much watercolor, but I think we'll add a little bit. Mostly because the color selection I have is limited to this, and I'm not buying any more. But I want to add some other colors. So I want to... Okay. And then... Well, that wasn't the right color. We'll make it work. And if you're going to do some layering, you can hide the tempera paint marks with successive layers of paint, if you want to. And let's put a little bit of this dark reddish pink, just a little bit. And then we've got some other yellow here. This is messy, but fun and interesting. And how do you not just love it? I mean, there you go. Quick, easy, to the point, and I really like that kind of art. I will probably be doing more of that in the future, but I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do. Perfection is for the camera, not for your art journal necessarily, if that's not what makes you happy. I hope that this gives you an idea of what you can do. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And above all, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.